Local news for Wednesday the 1st of November. Fireworks go on sale around the country tomorrow, and there are two major displays planned in Wairarapa, with Masterton's happening Friday night at the Solway Showgrounds and Martinborough's on Saturday night at Considine Park. The Fire Service and SPCA are reminding people to use them responsibly. A sustainable funding workshop is happening at the end of the month in Carterton. The two-hour workshop for community groups and sports clubs will cover such topics as 7 key income streams and the difference between donations, sponsorships and grants. The workshop takes place on Wednesday the 29th of November from 10 until midday. And in sport, the Giants B Major Women are the only softball team at home this weekend at South Park. They'll take on Tuntara Gold at 3:15, while the Prem 2s are away to Johnsonville and the Presidents are away to Hutt City. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.